Welcome to this tutorial on Bootstrap methods in statistics. Today, we are going to explore a powerful computational technique used for inference. Instead of relying on complex mathematical formulas, the Bootstrap method uses computer power to understand the uncertainty in our data. It is a fundamental tool for modern data analysis. Let's start with the basic problem we face in statistics. Usually, we only have one single sample from a much larger unknown population. We want to know things about the population, like the average height or income. But since we only have one set of data, it is hard to know how much our estimate might vary if we had taken a different sample. We can't just go out and collect data from the entire population again and again. This is where the Bootstrap strategy comes in. The brilliant idea is surprisingly simple. Since our sample is the best representative we have of the population, let's treat the sample itself as if it were the population. By doing this, we can simulate the process of taking many samples without needing to collect any new data. So how do we do this? We use a technique called sampling with replacement. Imagine putting all your data points into a bucket. To create a Bootstrap sample, you pick one ball out, record its value, and then put it back into the bucket. You repeat this until you have a new sample that is the same size as your original one. Because we put the ball back each time, some values might appear twice or 3 times, while others might not appear at all. Once we have this new Bootstrap sample, we analyze it just like we did the original. We calculate the statistic we are interested in, such as the mean or the median. We call this the Bootstrap Statistic. This gives us one single, what-if scenario of what our result might have looked like. One scenario isn't enough, so we repeat this process thousands of times. We use a computer to generate 10,000 or more Bootstrap samples and calculate the statistic for each one. When we plot all these statistics on a histogram, we get the Bootstrap Distribution. This distribution shows us how much our estimate varies, purely based on the data we have. Now we can use that distribution to create a confidence interval. A common method is to look at the middle 95% of the Bootstrap statistics. We cut off the bottom 2.5% and the top 2.5%. The range that remains gives us a solid estimate of where the true population parameter lies, with 95% confidence. You might wonder, why does this work? It works because the variation within our sample mimics the variation within the population. This method is incredibly useful because it doesn't rely on strict assumptions, like data following a normal bell curve. It is versatile enough to work for complex statistics where traditional formulas are too difficult to derive. It is like pulling yourself up by your own bootstraps. To summarize, Bootstrap methods allow us to understand the accuracy of our estimates. Remember the 4 steps: resample with replacement, keep the sample size the same, repeat thousands of times to see the variability, and finally, use those results to build confidence intervals. It is a modern, robust way to do statistics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.